I'm Kim with Northwest Life Real Estate, and today we're in one of Poulsbo's highly sought after neighborhoods, Forest Rock Hills. If you're looking for comfortable, one-level living near everything, then this might be the place for you. Let's go on in and let's check it out. Welcome to this inviting one-level home in Poulsbo's Forest Rock Hills neighborhood, where comfort, space, and a fantastic location come together. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the vaulted ceilings, cozy gas fireplace, and bright open living spaces that make this home feel warm and welcoming. The dining area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, where you'll find an island, plenty of storage, and a layout that opens right into the living room, perfect for staying connected with friends and family. The spacious primary suite offers a peaceful retreat complete with a private ensuite and direct access to the backyard. 2 additional bedrooms provide flexible space for guests, kids, home office, or hobbies. Step outside to enjoy the fully fenced backyard, relaxing patio, and mature palm trees that make this home truly one of a kind. One of the things I love most about this home is everything is just minutes away. Whether you're grabbing coffee downtown, picking up fresh groceries at Town & Country, enjoying dinner with friends, or spending time at one of Poulsbo's beautiful parks, it's all right here. As someone who's raising a family in this community, I can honestly say it's the people, the small town charm, and the sense of connection that make Poulsbo such a special place to call home. If you'd like to learn more about this home, or if you're thinking about making a move anywhere in Kitsap, we'd love to help. We're Mike and Kim Toro, Northwest Life Real Estate. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around the neighborhood.